Hi, this is John, and in this video, I'm going to give you a quick introduction on how to change icons in your menus on your website. If you have an action button menu that looks like this one right here, we typically call this the bottom action menu on home pages, but it's a common request that we get in support to change out these icons. Maybe you want to add a new button to this menu, or perhaps you have a side menu like this one over here and you'd like to change out the icons. We're going to go over how to do that real quick in this video. It is possible as well to have icons up here in the main menu, but just to break down what we're looking at here, we've got a main menu at the top, a left menu on the side, a bottom action menu here in the center, and a popular links menu down below. So all of these are controlled by the menus function of the content management system, the CMS. So one of the biggest questions we get is, how do I change out these icons? What if we want to replace an icon or put a new button in? And if the icon has a kind of a flat shape like this right here, 9 times out of 10, those are coming from a website called Font Awesome. And the way that this works is there's actually a font that's loaded into your website that has all of these icons in it, literally thousands of them. And this saves on space and makes the website snappy and fast and removes the need to have an image for these icons. So these are controlled by this Font Awesome font library that has the icons in it. So if we go to the website, fontawesome.com, make sure you bookmark that, and you click on icons at the top, you'll see that they have 63,000 icons in this website, which is, an enormous number of icons. It's a little misleading. There's fewer than that. Actually, there's just different types of icons. Now you'll notice that it says classic and duotone. If you look at this sample website, this is a classic icon here, and then the one over here on the left is a duotone. And a duotone is basically, as its name suggests, an icon that has 2 colors in it. And here you can see that it's possible to have 2 separate colors for the icon and change each of the colors individually on mouse over as well. Whereas a regular icon or a classic icon, we can have that fade into just one color, right? Instead of having 2 separate colors to worry about. So those are the 2 main types of icons that are installed in most websites. There are other options in here as well, but those are the safe bets when you're choosing an icon. So let's go ahead and change this Contact Us icon, and we're going to make this an envelope icon. Instead of showing the letter, we're just going to show the envelope. So if I were to go over to Font Awesome and search for envelope, we'll see a bunch of search results. And now this is where we have some decisions to make. It could be a solid icon, or it could be an outline of an icon like this one. And they're calling that regular. If we were to go to this one, you'll see it says solid right there. Their classic icon is a solid icon. And if we were to match the other icons here, it's more of the classic one. So let's click on this one, and you can see the different types of icons for this design. If I went to duotone, we'd see a 2-color version of it. But again, we're going to stick with classic. We're going to go with, is it classic or which one was it? This one right here, classic regular, my bad. So you can click this icon here to get it as well. Now, once we have our icon chosen, all you have to do is click this I tag. It's a little bit weird looking, but that's all you need to do is click on that. It'll copy it to your clipboard. Go back to your website. We're looking at the bottom action menu here. That's what it's called in this website. So if I were to go to the bottom under menus, go to website and then manage menus. In this case, it's the bottom action menu. And here we see our links, and we want to change this Contact Us icon. So we click the edit pencil over here, and then everything in front of the title is this icon tag. Now you'll notice that the one that's there currently is a different type. It's a Font Awesome thin icon, and then it's got the name of the icon, FA for Font Awesome Envelopes Bulk. We're just going to highlight all of that, delete it, and then paste in our new one. We hit apply, and any changes you make to a menu don't happen until you hit the save button. So we hit save. This gets refreshed, and now if we come over to our website and hit the refresh button in the browser up top, there's our envelope icon. So we successfully changed it. Now let's assume we wanted to add another icon to this set on this sample website. This is just the theme website. And I'm going to do one for the police department in this case. So let's go over here to Font Awesome. And I'm going to enter police. If I can type. Eventually I'll get it. All right. Police. And then we can see there are two different police icons here. This is the classic look I think we want. Yep, the regular look. So there's our policeman. Let's click it. Go back to the menu. And we're going to hit add item. And I'll paste the icon and then just type the word police after it. And since we're not really linking this anywhere yet, I'll click here to just make a quick stub link. That just means the link won't go anywhere, just so that we can preview it. But if you wanted this to link to a police department, you could actually type in the web address here or link this to a page in the website. So we'll hit apply. We've got it down here. We can see the preview that it is loading. We hit save. And now when we go back to the site and we hit refresh, and we've got our police icon here. Now in this site, it's hard coded to have 5 icons. In your website, these would automatically not wrap like this. It would just fit over on the side, but there you go. That's how you add a new icon. The same is true of other menus too. If we look at this popular links button menu down here, and let's just say we wanted to put an icon on maps. For the maps, it might be good to have just a map location or a compass. And let's look at, you can have a push pin like a Google map. So let me see, I think there is one that will work well for us. Yeah, this one right here, map location. Okay, so I'm gonna, once again, I'm gonna click on the I tag to copy it, go back to my menus. Let's go to the popular links menu. Here it is. And then maps, I'll edit it. I'll paste in the I tag, hit apply, and then save. And then once that refreshes, we can refresh our homepage. And we should see a map down here at the bottom. There you go. So that's how you add a new button and an icon. Again, just ignore that this is wrapping. That's unique to this site. Yours shouldn't do that. If you do need assistance with changing colors or mouse over effects or anything like that, or the style of your menus, you can reach out to us. If it is a design change for the website, there may be a charge, but we'll never do any work without giving you a quote up front. If it's just a quick question or a simple color change, a lot of times we'll do that without any charges. So feel free to reach out to us and ask a question. Our live support, you'll find that on our homepage, evogov.com, and also on the back end. When you log in, you'll see a little live chat down in the bottom left. You can use that to ask us questions in real time. So hope that helps, and good luck with your icons. Take care.